Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Here's a truth many people don't like. Rich people don't make better decisions because they see more opportunities. They make better decisions because they reject more options. Today, I introduce a brand new framework, the money decision filter. This explains how wealth grows by filtering choices, not chasing them. Medium white star section 1. What is a money decision filter? A money decision filter is a set of rules that screens opportunities, blocks emotional decisions, protects capital, preserves focus. Most money mistakes come from unfiltered choices. Medium white star section 2. WHY. Most people decide poorly. Most people crossmark say yes too quickly. Crossmark decide emotionally. Crossmark chase hype. Crossmark fear missing out. Crossmark lack evaluation. Rules unfiltered decisions drain wealth. Medium white star section 3. The money decision filter model. Fire. The money decision filter has 4 filters, and every decision must pass all 4. Left pointing magnifying glass filter 1. Clarity. Do I fully understand this? Can I explain it simply? Confusion is a red flag. Scales hatch filter 2. Risk balance. What is the downside? Can I survive the loss? If risk can ruin you, reject it. Filter 3. Strategic alignment. Does this fit my long-term plan? Does it distract or strengthen focus? Good opportunities still get rejected. Hourglass with flowing sand filter 4. Timing is now the right phase. Am I prepared for this level? Wrong timing kills good ideas. Medium white star section 4. How to install your money filter. Keycap 1. Write your 4 decision filters. Keycap 2. Apply them to every opportunity. Keycap 3. Delay decisions by 48 to 72 hours. Keycap 4. Track rejected choices. Keycap 5. Review outcomes. Quarterly rejection is a wealth skill. Medium white star section 5. Signs your filter is working. White heavy checkmark. Fewer regrets. White heavy checkmark. Calmer decisions. White heavy checkmark. Better returns. White heavy checkmark. Stronger focus. White heavy checkmark. Protected capital. Bullseye. Conclusion with strong close. Wealth is not built by saying yes. Fire. It is built by saying no with discipline. Install the money decision filter and watch money stop leaking.